What's going on, guys? It's actually sunny today. I'm back in the Passat. It's going to be a little quick one today because I was hoping to do the turbo video next, but I don't think I'll have time this week, but I'll fit this video in now. We're going to be installing some new vents. Might sound a bit pathetic, but these ones light up. They're from a Skoda. I can't remember the model name, so I'll put a picture of the model and the title of it up here. Yeah, these illuminate. They look so much better. Mine don't illuminate, so this is a nice little upgrade for anyone who has a Passat. Some Passats do illuminate and some don't. Unfortunately, mine the one that doesn't. So this is gonna look so much better, honestly. These are the standard ones. They don't really nothing special, just obviously that slat there is bright, but they ignore that. They're nothing special, they're just like normal, but they do not light up. So these are the centre ones from the Skoda. These did light up green, and shout out to my missus, she soldered new LED lights onto them, and now they illuminate red. And if anyone can do it, she can do it, so I appreciate her doing that. And I'll show you a video of them when they're all lit up as well. But yeah, these look so much better because they blend in with everything in my car. So yeah, let's get these installed. First things first, we're gonna pop all these out because we need to install this loom. This loom goes at the back of all these. Obviously mine didn't come with the loom, so I had to buy this separately. Lucky enough, I bought it with the kit. So yeah, we'll just have to feed this through each one of them, and then it will then we can plug them in. We'll start with this middle one. The best place to pull these from is the corners, because that's where the little tabs are. So we'll get to that now. Well, some of you might not like my tactic of doing this, but I've literally just got this screwdriver, went in, popped out at the bottom, and just gave it a good pull. And then it comes out just like that. We'll yeet that in the back because we don't want that anymore. Gonna do the same method with this one. It's gonna be a bit harder because it's smaller, but we're just gonna get underneath it and gently pry it out. Don't worry about damaging this because it will go back into shape. Just need to get it out. It's hard doing it with one hand, so we'll come back to when it's actually out. And then that one's out as well, just like that. I'm going to yeet that in the back as well. And now we just need to take this one off. Same again as the driver's side. Just wedge something in the top or the bottom, lever on it till you get a little bit of movement, then use your hands to pull out the rest. Very easy. That one's out, just like that. Quick and easy, simple. Took me 2 minutes to take them out. And then what do we do with this one? We yeet it in the back where the rest of them go. Now, you see here, this is the light which knows when to light up the vents. This is in all Passats. It should be in all VAG, Volkswagen Audi group cars. This should always be here. This is, like I said, what it knows when to turn the vent lights on when you switch your lights on. So this will always be here. This part of it that connects to it won't be. Some cars it will, some cars it won't. So this is what I needed to buy. This come with the Skoda vents. Just make sure if you're going to do that, swap these around, that you've got this, else it won't work. Right, so now we need to feed this through each one of them so it all sticks out, and then we can plug the new ones in, and the job's a good one. So obviously the first one's the easiest because that just sits right in the rear like that. But then these ones down here, they got to feed through all that. So we're going to try and attempt to do that now. So managed to feed one through using, oh, look at this bad boy. How sick is this? Got like a little fucking gripper on the end of it with a light. Bought this ages and ages ago. Sweet. Now I've just got to feed it all the way through to that side. Just so the wires are all in place, I've just installed this one. Just so it's done. But yeah, that looks good. So now I've just got to feed the rest of this through there, and then we can finish installing the rest of the vents. But look how good that looks, man. So good. Right, I don't actually know the path this routes normally, where it should route. However, I've sort of made my own path. So I pulled this little panel down, and there's my little grabber. Obviously it's in that end, so I've grabbed the wire, and now it should feed through there. So this would run, this is going to run under the clocks and round, and it should come out here. I'm hoping that's the way it runs. I can't really see it running behind the clocks, because I don't think the wire will be long enough, because obviously they go back deep. As you can see there, they go in deep. So I think this is the way it routes. If I'm wrong, let me know. And just like that, it's pulled through. Here it is. Oh. I can't see it routing anywhere else, because that's a good bit of length on it. It might run somewhere else, but it's not going to be in the way of anything. Let me just release that. Job's a good one. Okay, now we've just got to install these vents. Right, so this is going to be going in now. Obviously I've got the hazard switch here. I've replaced the Skoda one with a Passat switch, but the Skoda fascia, because obviously the Skoda switch is actually, it's got more pins. It's actually got this pin right here, and the Passat one doesn't. So I'm going to have to find a bit of loom, so I can, I need the plug and the loom, so then I can run these wires into the original switch, so then they can work together. But that'll be another day. I won't do a video on that. I'll just do that myself. I don't want to bore you with that. Right, that's that done. Yeah, it does sit a bit raised, but I can't really do much about that. Now it's time to fit the driver's side. That way, no. Oh, what would I do now? Yeah, that way. Yes, it's that way. It's in that. I'm about to get it in one day. That's what she said. Right, and then that just slots in. Just like that. Alright, so they're all in now. Let's see them illuminated. Let's turn this one on. You ready? Wow. That looks good. That looks so much better, honestly. These are lit, you can see they are, but they're very, very dull. Like even this one, look. It's very dull. It is lit, look. But it's very dull. I don't know if that's if it's meant to be like that. Just because it's like driver's side, maybe because the light might reflect off the mirror. I don't know. You have to let me know if that's normal. If not, I have to pop these out and resolder them, because these ones are, like I said, I haven't done anything with them other than resoldered, and I did them all the same. Well, my missus did. They're all the same, and it's a bit of a coincidence that these ones are both bright and then ones are both dark. So you have to let me know if that's right, guys. But what's going on, guys? Back again. Just a quick update on the vents. I did mess up. The the LEDs were basically shorting out, so they were lit, but they weren't actually fully lit. So now, if you have a look, they are all very bright. So this one's bright, that one's bright, that one's bright, and that one's bright. So I just sorted out the connections so they weren't yeah, I did break this in there while I was putting it back together, but it doesn't bother me. But yeah, it was just because the connections were like basically shorting out. These ones are soldered fine, these weren't properly in, so weren't properly soldered, so they weren't lighting up fully. But now they're sorted and they're all lit, so job well done. So if you do subscribe, it does help me out a lot, and I've got plenty more videos to come on the Passat. I've got a nice little surprise with the front and rear of the car. It's side markers from the US. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.